Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can check all the saved password that you have saved over your Google Chrome browser on your PC or your smartphone. Now, in order to do it, just simply open the Chrome browser over any platform you have, and here you have to just search. In the search bar, you have to just search password. Once you do that, you're gonna find this option which says manage passwords. If you don't find it, you can even find it in the settings as well. Once you go over there, you're gonna see all the sites, all the password that are saved for different sites. So from here you can easily access those password that you have saved over your Google Chrome browser, and this same process works for your smartphone's Google Chrome browser as well. So by this method you can easily check the passwords that are saved over Chrome. Alright, so that's it for this video. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.